Alright, real quick guys, before we jump into this video, I want you guys to know that we are having our Christmas sale right now. It is 10% off across the website. Air ride hydraulic, air suspension, dressed up components. I mean, I'm talking about everything to end the year off, right? We are having our 10% off sale. Plus, on top of that, we're going to be handing out, I believe, like 400 air freshener stickers, pop sockets, all that good stuff in there for free. So make sure you guys jump on that. Make sure you guys are using code HOPPOSXmas at checkout in the little coupon section. So if you guys don't do that, you guys will not get the discount. If you guys do that, you'll get the discount plus all that free stuff in there as well. So now, time to get back to work, jump into this video. And for those of you guys that are complaining that we were talking too much in the last video, there is 0 words in this video. Sonia Mother Love.
Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches, see that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it, I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell of 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his